Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabzian. I'm a graphic designer. Today we are going to learn how we can make seamless Instagram carousels in Figma. I know that nowadays they are very famous in Instagram, in social media, that we want to make some posts and we want to share it, and now we want to know how we can make it more attractive. Now we are going to see how we can make it. Please open the Figma and make one frame here. As you can see, I have made one example here. I'm making one frame, and here should be 180 by 180, which is the Instagram size for post. Whichever color you want, you can choose and use it. For me, it's this one. I'm going to duplicate it for 5 times. We can select them and very easily to align them here. Then I'm going to write something here as a title. For example, how to be more fashionable. Okay. And here we can see I'm going to bring one picture here. As you can see, is here. I brought this from the plugin. I'm going to see you from Unsplash, which you can download from the Figma here, and you can write here model. As you can see here is the same model which I have brought it here, but I took it and in Photoshop I made some selection and I removed the background. I made this in Photoshop before and I came here. So as you can see, I'm bringing this model here with the K key to scale it down a little bit. I'm placing here, for example, to be more attractive. It's a frame 6, as you can see. Now I'm going to make this shortcut, Ctrl D, to duplicate this layer. Then I will take it to, this is frame 6 to frame 7. I'm going to rename it Red Girl to find it better. And I'm going to draw to frame 7. As you can see, it is continuously very smoothly. You can see that it plays here. Bring it in front, and I'm going to duplicate it here to write something like tip 1. Bring it here and make it a little bit smaller, for example 6. I'm going to bring plugin here, Lorem Ipsum, to generate some text here because I don't have any text to add here. We made a second frame here, and now we are going to duplicate it and make some text here. I'm going to speed the video a little bit up to make the video shorter. Okay, I wrote something in different frame here, and now we are going to add second picture, which is one model from another position. Again, I choose Unsplash and I cut out the background from the subject and I brought it here in Photoshop. So I'm going to place it here with the help of K key, scale key. Now I'm going to, as you can see, it's the frame 9 and it's frame 10. Control D, I have to rename it Blonde Girl to understand better it. And I'm taking this to frame 10. Very effective trick and tips that you can use in many of your social media's posts for creation. Now, as you can see, I want to make it a little bit more attractive. I'm going to make one star here. I'm giving color from, yes, it's good. This star, you can see it. I'm going to Control D star to bring it here, and then I have to go to zoom it a little bit, lorem ipsum, to come front, and this one also, lorem ipsum, should come front. Now I'm going to select all of them, export them as a PNG in my computer, and I'm going to post on Instagram. As you can see, it's very nice and it's very fit here. The second one consists of the photo. Again, here we have a star. Here are also the half of a star and a little of a picture of the model. And here is the last one, which you can see is very beautiful and very effective, and it can draw attention of the audience on social media. I wish that you like this technique and you are going to use it in your project. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button to be more informed about new upcoming video. And if you want to learn how we can cut out the subject from the background, please draw my attention in the comment section to make another video about these topics. And thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.